Hey guys, welcome back to 3-Day Weekend. Today I am continuing the rebuild of this RZR 800. And I got a box full of parts. Should be everything that I need. So I'm going to crack it open and get started. I'm telling you, it's quite a feeling opening up a box and seeing that first thing. We've got brand new cylinder. We've got brand new water pump. Wiseco piston ×2. And what do we have? Oh, bearings, gaskets, water pump. Yeah, water pump. And these should be some more bearings, and they are. Got the gasket, got our seals, got our crank bearings, and the crank. Clean. Not as clean.
Getting clean.
Getting clean. Gotta be clean. So we got the camshaft, the balance shaft, yes, nailed it, and the crankshaft all installed. We got assembly lube on there. Now he's going around with the Polaris, well, the Yamaha version of Polaris crank seal, Yamabond 4, making it nice and thin.
Yep.
Yep. Here's the peanut gallery. Yeah. Look at that perfect amount that came out. Beautiful. Probably won't leak.
It's like 89%.
That it won't leak?
Yeah.
Huh?
Diamonds or something.
It's just piston.
It's the fanciest piston bag. I don't understand why they're in a bag. Like,
Because they're pretty.
are you gonna put them back in when you're done?
I'm gonna use it for stuff.
In a bag, in a box. No, that's
Cylinder.
probably in years.
Cylinder's ready, nice and clean. Gaskets in place. We put the, what are these, tappets, lifters? What are we calling these today? Oh, I don't know. The page is gone. Yeah, whatever. They're in there. I already did that.
That I know of.
Use this?
I did that.
That's when he tried to hit me.
You drove
side
it?
by side.
Yes.
Okay.
For hours
You're at low RPM?
at low RPM to keep the heat down.
Yeah, okay.
You're the wrong one.
What? I'm going to this one, front one. I'm going to this one. Where the screwdriver is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just went past it. Now I push it
You don't
out.
want to scratch that all up in
Yeah,
there.
don't scratch that part.
I'm trying not to.
Every time we keep saying, I think this is the hardest part, there's something else that comes up. This is the hardest part. Well, we'll get the pistons in here momentarily.
This is how not to put them in.
Just for the record, this is the machine owner doing this part. You got it. Woo!
Only destroy the piston in the process.
It'll be fine. Send it.
Ship it. When in doubt, ship it out.
Closely. Oh shoot, we can't put it in.
Yeah, don't put it in yet.
Oh, dang it, no, we gotta take it out. You have to push on the other side. I like that you watched me do it. You could have just said, hey, that's good. I totally forgot. We have to put it on that.
Dang it.
I gotta take that one out. It's in there pretty good.
You want me to hold that?
Yeah. Once you record this part, it's gonna be sneaky.
No.
It's too close.
Probably shouldn't. I'm not gonna do it.
Yeah. Take that back away from me.
Probably shouldn't.
I can't.
Oh, you were going good until you started looking.
I can't see where I am or what I'm doing.
You're good. You're good.
This is in. Wrist pins are in, but we gotta put the other circlips on.
There we go.
She's all lined up.
Go ahead, put that one in.
Just put it in.
Yeah, just
All right.
put that in.
It's easy. Pistons are in, circlips are in, wrist pins, all that good stuff. Now we're working on timing. It's now on the old thrust plate. One of us reads the instructions, then sums it up for the rest of us.
So what do you want us to do?
It's a good system.
The water pump.
So, jam that on here.
Did you?
That one's getting close.
Did you Yama
I did.
lubage? Okay.
That's why it was kind of sitting in its place.
2 longs
They're all there. I just don't know where they go.
and only 2
It's
short.
like
Long
1, 2,
one.
3 here.
Total of 7.
There and
long
there.
in there. Yep.
Total of 7.
The long one.
That's good.
Perfect.
It's not quite seated. There you go.
Seated.
Now we get to put the head back on.
We're almost done.
Almost. Still a bit of polishing.
Nasty.
Mm-hmm. Cylinders in. Head gasket. Just waiting on this piece. You have to oil the bolts.
That's what she says.
Okay.
I'm just doing what I'm told. There's 6 of them, right? Yes.
Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But the head is on. Just when you think that's really tight, not 90 degrees or a quarter turn.
Jury's still out on if that's the same or not.
Then you'll be good. Nice and clean in there. One of these things is not like the other.
I don't see color.
You want to see color?
No. Dangle. You have a not so huge one of these?
No. It took a lot of work to get that one perfect. It is built. Next we're priming the oil. Change the filter. Fill it with oil. We're going to take out the spark plugs and touch the starter and make sure that oil pressure builds up first. And then once we do that, I'll compression check each cylinder, and if everything passes, we will rejoin it to the transmission and then put it back in. A lot has changed since we spoke last. It was fully together, and currently it is not. Because, well, I put oil in it. Let's back up. I put oil in it. Glug, glug, glug. First quart. Got that all in. And then I put the quart down, and it just was flowing out and onto the floor and everywhere. Never put the drain plug back in it.
Bad.
It was over in the drain pan. So, got that in. So it's going to be a quart low of oil. But we did prime the oil pump. We have good oil pressure. Got that all going. And then we were low on compression, but that's just because of hydraulic lifters just need more oil pressure for that. So I think everything is good mechanically. It turns over, you know, we hit it with the starter, everything sounds good. But then it started leaking oil from the bottom. Because we cleaned every surface. Like, look how nice that's clean. But not this one.
What? What's wrong with this?
So it was leaking from right here.
And probably eventually from here.
Yeah.
Here.
I don't know how we missed that one.
Yeah.
So, our bad on that one.
Might want to clean this one up a little bit.
A little bit. Yeah. And we're going to need some more oil. But I think the motor is good. It spins and has compression. Alright, so we're going to call it a day here because I've got some parts to order and the thing is leaking like a sieve. So we'll come back to that. Don't forget to subscribe. Click right here on our link because you're going to want to catch the next episode in that. In the meantime, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on 3 Day Weekend.